Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this session I am going to explain the charge, current, resistance and voltage. For an easy understanding, let us take an example of water tank analogy. Here consider a water tank at a certain height which is filled with water with the help of submersible pump. When the submersible pump is switched on, the submersible pump forces the water into the tank and it fills the water into the tank with the help of centrifugal force. This force is an analogy of voltage and this water is analogy to electric current. Let us now apply this concept by considering a conductor which is supplied with DC voltage. Consider a conductor which is supplied with a voltage of DC. Under the normal condition, the arrangement of electrons and protons is like this. The protons and neutrons are in the nucleus and electrons revolve around the nucleus. So proton has certain energy and it has a bond with the electron. Protons will attract the electron and helps electron to revolve around the orbit. So under normal condition, this electron maintains force of attraction with the proton, and due to which the electron does not revolve, that does not move actually. It requires certain amount of energy to move. So when we apply certain amount of energy with the help of voltage source, the electric field is created from left to right, which forces the electron to move towards the positive terminal of a battery, and from negative terminal of a battery again the electrons are returned to the conductor. The flow of these electrons is known as current. The current is due to negative charges, but for sign convention and easy calculation, we consider the flow of current is due to positive charges, which is known as conventional current. This standard is universally adopted and it was stated by Benjamin Franklin. So here we can see the current is the movement of electrons per second. Actually 1 ampere of current means 1 coulomb of charge per second. So what is a charge? Here question arises. 1 coulomb of charge is equal to 625 into 10 to the power of 16 electrons. It means 1 ampere of current means 625 into 10 to the power of 16 electrons per second. So the movement of 625 into 10 to the power of 16 electrons per second is known as current of 1 ampere. While movement of electrons from left to right, the electrons in a conductor is collide with the molecules of a material and liberate the quantity of heat. So it is known as a resistance. So resistance is nothing but electric friction offered by the material. Resistance will depend upon the material, type of material used. So unit of resistance is ohms. 1 ohm resistance is equal to, so when we apply 1 voltage of current and due to which 1 ampere current flows, it has a resistance of 1 ohm. So it is a symbol of a resistor. So here another question arises. What is voltage actually? So Voltage is a work done on charge. While moving the movement of electron, the voltage done work on each coulomb of charge. So 1 volt means 1 joule of energy will be 1 joule of energy will be provided to 1 coulomb of charge is known as 1 volt. The unit of voltage is volt. It is named on the honor of volta. So conclusion, consider two boys. One boy is applying pressure for the movement of electron, and another boy is stopping the electron. This boy is named as a voltage and this boy is named as resistance. So here the voltage applied, here will be the flow of electrons, and the voltage will drop due to the resistance. Here we analyze voltage as a force. If we apply a force on electrons, the electrons will move from left to right, but due to resistance the flow of electrons will be opposed, due to which the force will be decreased somewhat. It is known as force drop, analogy of voltage drop. Okay, I hope you understand the concept of charge, current, resistance and voltage.